Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about AI edit features. In our first video, we discussed about 3 ways of creating product photography: prompts, inspiration, and templates. Here, I'll generate one photography for this product by opening this face and text composition feature and click on create. Here is my result. You can see that it's preserved all the details of logo and text since we opened this face and text composition feature. But if it didn't work correctly, there is a way of fixing it with the restore feature. With restore feature, you can actually restore the product details as the scale is increased. Scale of 1 restores your product exactly, but might damage the scene realism. Here, for example, if I make it 0.8, you're going to see that the lighting and the shadow of the product is more closer to the original product photography, but the realism is a bit damaged. So you can since it preserved all the details, I just want to make it 0 because it worked perfectly. But let's say if you want to keep a partial area of the product as same as possible, you can use this partial detail feature by clicking on the brush and choosing the area that you want to keep as same as possible and click restore. Now it's more discreet and it's preserved 100%. So in this photo, I want to add a cup of coffee with this coffee machine. Here I click on Magic Edit and sketch the area and write a cup of coffee. So it generated a cup of coffee together with a coffee machine. So I like this one. And I don't like this cable over here, so I want to delete it. I click on it and use this magic erase tool to draw the area that I want to delete. So you can always use Magic Erase Pro feature for upgraded packages, but here I will use just a basic one. Magic Eraser Pro works better in terms of blending the erased part of the image with the other part of the image. So here it perfectly deletes the cable that I don't want to see in the photo. There are some very crowded objects in the background, some I don't know, some fruits, some glasses, etc. So I want to repair this photo in a general sense and see what AI does for me. I click on repair, and by using this expand tool, I want to change the dimension of my product photography to multiple sizes. I click on expand and I choose different sizes here. For example, I will choose this large portrait and this widescreen dimensions. So these are the dimensions that I chose. So I click on resize. So it generated those 2 dimensions for me. You can see it perfectly expanded the image to the vertical dimensions and horizontal dimensions. So in this vertical one, I want to go to AI edit tools again and use the enhance quality feature. This feature increased the overall resolution of the image, and now my product photography has high resolution, and I can download it or save this image to use the settings for later, save as an inspiration or save as a template to use in my further projects. There's one last feature that I want to mention, which is background removal. To do that, you need to come to dashboard and choose AI edit project. Upload your product here. Once I upload the product, I click on background remove option. The background of the product is perfectly removed, and I can use it as a backup image. So these were all the AI edit features of Crait. We are going to continue with more videos about like advices and tips of how to use Crait. So see you at the other videos.